All right, folks. Here comes San Joaquin train 717. Your northbound destination of this train is Oakland Jack London Square. Get ready to pass by my hometown. Now this is it. Here she comes now. F59 PHI. Yeah. 2001. Woo! And Cabcar 8312. Yep. And there she goes, west to Oakland. We'll continue on to Antioch, Martinez, Richmond, Emeryville, and the final destination of this train is Oakland Jack London Square. At Emeryville Station, there are bus connecting services towards the Bay Area, including the Trans-Bay Terminal and downtown San Francisco. Nice. That's it. Live in my hometown in Oakley, folks. Thank you all for watching, and I'm out. Till next time. See ya.